Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a motion blur effects to your videos on CapCut. So you need to add your clips to CapCut and then just export it. So I add about 10 or more videos and then you can just export it. Click on done and then start a new project with the video that you've just exported. Click on add. And now click on clips and just go to the motion blur and set the blur and also the blend into 50. Okay, and then for the direction, don't change it, just click on both, choose both, and then for the times change it into 6 times. Then just click on the check icon and the CapCut will be applying the motion blur, and you can just wait until it finishes. Okay, so the motion blur has been applied and this is the result. So I think it's better if you have shorter clips and you can just add the motion blur after that. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks below. Bye.